Anyway, hell, this the pad, this the house, man. I usually have stuff in here, and you save. I remember this Viva, it's Viva, pump. That's Viva too up there. They made it. That's Viva. This is the shop right here. It's my pad right here. My workshop. Thinking about making a restaurant out of it one day. Got my ladder up there. It's my stools and stuff I got like that. Now this is an antique stool right here. See, they got the solid legs on it. Like it kind of look like this right here. Now this is made from material. This stool right here made from material just like this padlock right here. Like those locks. It's made from the same type of material. You probably seen them online. It's every hardwood oak table. This one hardwood oak table. I had bought the works work table. Like it was supposed to send it, but it was something happened with the ship and they couldn't send it after I bought it, so I had to refund my money. Over here, but it was a hardwood table. Like it kind of looked like that one kind of. It was like there, you know, like the square. You can plug it in and stuff like that. Used as a cutting board table and stuff like that. It was one of those big rectangular tables. But yeah, I'm in here right now. Just got up this morning. I'm gonna blowtorch right there. I use that for my secondary lighter. So this is the pad, man. Hey, you can kind of see what's in here. Hell, I showed you all the reviews and stuff. The reviews and stuff that I had. That's my grill right here, my expert grill. Expert grill. That's my other dolly over there, and you can see the dolly, my other dolly over here. Yeah. So right here. Yeah. So boom, I'll be like, yeah, keep stuff like that. I just got the duct tape. I got the duct tape the other day in the mail. Got this chair right here in the mail yesterday. So that's my laptop right there. Keep that one. And I'm recording on this with the duct tape. Let me show you the duct tape that I got in the mail here. Yesterday, I opened. It's the duct tape that I ordered in the mail, so I got that in the mail. Duct tape that came in the mail. And for you kind of my safes and stuff like that. My Buffalo safe right here. That's another one of my safes right here. I wouldn't tell nobody that though. I had like another safe. I got one in here. I gave my dad one of them. I think he had a lot coming up with it. So that's my yard service sign right here. 21 yard service. I had this one made a while back. 21 yard service. Kind of see what's on this side. Kind of like a bar. Yeah. Like, we'll see. Please subscribe and below. Let me know. Comment. So I'm gonna get hit up. I'm gonna sit down on this side right here. I'd be like, boom. See the pool table, brought out the pool sticks and stuff like that. Yeah. Staff, pool table sticks, stuff like that. Yeah, like I want to try to kind of like make it out as a bar or something. So Try to make it out of a bar all the way. I don't like losing focus on it, kinda. But yeah, this is the pad though. That's my shot glass on the table right there. I stole it from Dad, but hopefully he don't say nothing about it. Hell, I put it on film. He probably wouldn't. He probably wouldn't. Hell, he probably let me have it. I go to Larry and post it online right now. Well, he get up in the morning. But yeah. Like we see, please subscribe. Let me know.